Hello students. In today's class we shall be looking for Act 2 Scene 4 from Merchant of Venice. In the last class Scene 3 we have been discussed about Jessica and the love affair between Lorenzo and Jessica. She also told that her house is not a house, it is a hell. And she's ashamed of having to be daughter of Shiloh. Okay, and she just wanted to turn her religion into Christian, and she will be the loving wife of Lorenzo. So like that, all the things we have been discussed here in this scene. We have Jessica's elopement with Lorenzo in Venice. Bassanio's friends have planned the celebration at his dinner party, and Lancelot delivers Jessica's letter to Lorenzo, and Lorenzo informs Graciano that how Jessica disguised as a torch bearer, and she, to being a torch bearer, she would escape from her father's house with money and jewels to elope with him. Then the scene also provides us a contrast to the serious business of world of Venice and dwells on the subject of disguise, loyalty and frivolity. So these all the things we are going to have in this scene. Now let's see lines of this scene. So here at scene 4 in Venice, there was a street. There enter Graciano, Lorenzo, Salerno on Selenio. What Lorenzo say? He said, "Nay, we will slink away in supper time, disguise us at my lodging and return all in an hour." So he's saying that no, we will slink away at supper time. We will disguise ourselves at my house and return in an hour. So after listening him, what Graciano says that we have not made good preparation. So Graciano said that whatever plan we have made, maybe that is not good according to him. Salerino, we have not spoken us at of torch bearer. Okay, he's saying that we have not decided that who will be our torch bearer. Torch bearer means a person who will guide them to go, what to do, what is the plan. So we do not have torch bearer. What Selenio says, he says it is while you can see that while that means disgusting. So he is not liking that plan. So he's saying that while it is very disgusting, unless it may be quaint ordered. Okay, maybe quaint order means that whatever their plan, that should be properly arranged, that should be ordered. Okay, and he said that it is better in my mind that not to be undertook, means he was not interested about whatever their plans to be disguised and all. So that is why he says like that. So Lorenzo says it is now but 4 o'clock, we have 2 hours to furnish us. So here he says that it is only 4 o'clock now, we have 2 hours to get them, friend Lancelot, what is the news? And then after he has Lancelot enter there with that letter, and he asks that what is the news, Lancelot, what you have brought? Lancelot, and it shall please you seem to signify to break this, it shall seem to signify. As Lancelot, as he never gives an answer directly, so indirectly he says that okay, this is the thing what I brought for you, you can tear it, you can see what is written, it will tell what you want to ask me. Lorenzo, I know the hand in faith, means he just delivered the letter to Lorenzo. So Lorenzo says, I know the hand in faith, tis the fair hand, means whoever has written this letter, I know that hand is somewhere very fair and whiter than the paper it written. And he compares the hand with the paper, it says that it is somewhere more beautiful than the paper. Is the fair hand that reads. So the fair hand has written this letter. Graciano, love news in faith. Graciano told, oh, maybe it is a love letter. Lancelot, by your leave, so Lorenzo, whither goes though? So after giving letter, Lancelot asked to leave that place, and Lorenzo asked, where are you going? So he said that, marry sir, to bid my old master the Jew, and to sup tonight with my new master the Christian. So he's saying that okay, I'm just going to say bye to my old master who was a Jew, that is Shiloh, and I'm now going to join for supper to my new master who is Christian, that is Bassanio. Lorenzo, hold here, take this. he gives him money. Tell gentle Jessica I will not fail here, speak it privately. So he gives him money and tell to Jessica that whatever their plan, he will be with her. And he go, gentleman, will you prepare for this mask tonight? I am provided of a torch bearer. So they were asking for the mask. So in this mask they will disguise themselves. Celenio, ah, Mary, just wait. Yeah. So Celenio says, ah, Mary, I'll be gone about it straight. Celenio, and will so. Lorenzo, meet me and Graciano at Graciano's lodge in some hour hence. So here they are planning how they are going to execute that plan, where they will meet, and how they are going to have all the things. Celenio says, it is good we do so, and except Celenio and Celenio, they both just left the place. Now Graciano and Lorenzo, what they were talking, see, was not that letter from fair Jessica? He's asking that it may be the letter of Jessica only. Lorenzo, I must tell thee, she hath directed how I shall take her from her father's house. So, what she has written, he is telling that how can I take her from her own father's house. She says, how, what gold and jewels she is furnished with, she will elope with me with whatever gold and whatever jewelries and with money. What page's suit she hath in readiness if ever the Jews had father come to heaven. So she said, I will be disguised myself. Okay, page suit means she will disguise herself, whatever that will be suiting on that she will disguise, and it will be for his gentle daughter's sake, that never dare misfortune cross for her route, unless she will do under this execute, that she is issue the faithless Jew. Come, go with me, pursue this as ghost. Fair Jessica shall be my torch bearer. So here in this way, he's saying that how that. Damn, how Jessica have that plan to execute all the things what is in their mind. As he said, I must tell you everything. Lorenzo is talking to Celerino Graciano here, and he says about all the letter that is written by Jessica. He says that she has made a plan of how I shall, Miss Lorenzo, how I shall take her from her father's house. And also she added that how whatever gold and jewelry she had with the boy's suit, means she will disguised as a boy. Okay, she disguised herself as boy, and then she's somewhere ready in that suit. If the Jew has father ever comes to heaven, it will be of his gentle daughter's sake, and never should misfortune dare to cross her foot, unless she does not under the excuse, and she disguises her daughter in the fearless Jews. So come with me. Okay, she had a plan, and then she's saying that she can turn herself into Christian, she will change her religion if the man Lorenzo will be with her. So she will be torch bearer, means according to the letter, fair Jessica shall be my torch bearer, because she will only give us the way where to go, whatever the plan and is to be executed. So here in this scene we have seen that whatever their elopement and they are planned what they are going to execute at the dinner party. So I hope this scene is clear to you. Now in the next class we will have the next scene, that is scene 5. So till that time, thank you so much, student.